Linedata is a global solutions provider dedicated to the investment management and the credit community. Here to tell us more about the services it offers for the back office is the company's product director, Francois Pradel, and commercial director, Franck Thomas. Francois, welcome.
Thank you, Lenny.
Thank you, Lenny.
Franck, what are the products and services available to clients?
We provide solutions for some world large banks, major insurance company, investment manager, and also to boutique asset management and hedge fund firms. We provide a front, middle, back office solution, and we cover all the life cycle of the investment management. On top of that, in our division, we've got a high level, an extremely high level of expertise in business process, technical requirements, and I really believe that those elements coupled with our long-term partnership with the client and trusty advisor positioning makes our offering unique.
How has the asset management industry changed in recent years?
The investment management market has now to cope with uncertainty since 2008, with a much slower growth in assets under management, an increased pressure on prices from investors, and consequently an intense competition between fund managers focused on client retention rather than client acquisition. Attention to total cost of ownership is informing recent indications of a return to growth. But this trend also involves a growing pressure on operational costs and a trend towards consolidation between players with either jumbo assets managers and competing with highly specialized boutiques. Also, outsourcing of the back office is another growing trend. Increased regulation resulting from G20 initiatives has led to increased demand from both investors and regulators for an increased transparency in the investment process, risk monitoring, and regulatory oversight. All these moves are also leading to blurring boundaries between so-called traditional fund managers, making more use of alternative strategies, and hedge fund managers increasingly concerned with compliance, risk monitoring, and legal reporting. This is why the market is now focusing on solutions capable of addressing both requirements on a common platform. We also see a growing demand for business process automation, automated exception management, and business process monitoring tools.
What are the key changes for industry professionals and how do you help resolve those?
Their main challenge is to comply with new regulation. Here, Linedata has a proven track record of building solutions that are regulation ready well in advance of the officially required dates. Following on from regulations, investors are more and more demanding for greater access to information more frequently, not to say in real time. And our reporting and dashboard-based solutions enable clients to meet this demand for both current and historical information. Entering new markets and growing globally is another challenge. We have local expertise in many jurisdictions and so can assist in geographical expansions or new players in any local markets for all investor segments. As markets have picked up, Linedata has been in a position to assist clients in adding to their asset under administration or management. Our products are highly configurable and can be tailored to fit any client size and can handle extremely high volumes. To finish with, we'll help our clients achieving an overview of their business to give them a comprehensive view of their business with a single dashboard.
There has been increased interest in Linedata. Why is that?
Our proximity to the client, but also to the market, that has enabled us to build back office solutions that meet the requirement of our client needs. We are faster to the market because with solution regulation ready, for example, Solvency II or FATCA, we are already having those features in our solution. Also, Linedata is providing a single platform approach, which is operationally more efficient, secure and automate. So we also have the ability to handle your internal and external reporting with a web access, so meeting needs for greater transparency. We are present in all the geographical regions. We are in Europe, we are in the US, we are in Asia, so which are strong partnership for our client. We are using the solution of the market, and we are following the market trend really for each of our technical but also functional solution. And on top of that, with our services offer, we are able to help our client where they do not have the resources.
What new areas have you moved into?
We recently launched two major product initiatives, at first on the UK market. The first one is a comprehensive investment book of records solution that we call Linedata IBOR. It's a powerful engine that maintains and presents a complete and accurate start of day and intraday view of position, aggregating multiple data sources across an organization, and this for asset managers as well as their TPAs. We wanted to address the growing complexity of the NAV calculation and unit price processes with Linedata ICIPS for Collective Investment Pricing System, which is a standalone calculation, validation and process monitoring engine.
And finally, how do you envisage the company developing over the next few years?
So we would like to work on the data management, data transparency, quality of the data, which is for us a very important topic for our client. We also would like to expand our footprint in terms of geographical presence, and we want to expand our presence more specifically in Asia. But we are also working on our product.
We are able to concentrate our product strategy means and our development teams in order to develop cross-product initiatives around our existing products. So our top priority now is to launch a series of new initiatives, either functional or technological. At the end of the day, what we intend to provide our client with is an enlarged instruments coverage, capability to cope with new regulation in a timely manner, and also the capability to lower cost and increase operational efficiency by new business process automation tools.
Francois, Franck, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Lenny.
Thank you, Eleni.